guys, hold on, let me lock my doors, make sure nobody trying to come into my car, you feel me? I am back with another one, guys. It's been a few weeks. I ain't gonna lie, I've been slacking. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck, I've been slacking. But I hope y'all doing good. Hope life treating y'all well. I love y'all. And today we back with the, if you know, you know. These are set to release, I believe, May 25th. If I'm not mistaken, let me make sure. Hold on. Oh, my bad. These are releasing May 24th, my boys. May 24th. Can you guess what's in the box? I mean, why am I asking you guess what's in the box if y'all already clicked the video and the title it says a sneaker? But guess what's in the box, my boys? This one right here is a size 9. A size 9. Oh, this is a 9.5. 9.5. This is getting shipped to my boy Move Me all the way out to California. He ordered his pair early with me, so I'm gonna do a review on his pair because I also have a pair and it's on my feet. But it's raining right now, so I'm low-key mad that I put these on though. But yeah, guys, here we go. Oh yeah, these are retailing for $225. I hate that Jordan. One day they want to retail a sneaker for $210, $190, $200, $225. Like they know what they doing. And the last time y'all seen these was back in 2016, 2012, and in 1999, my boys. I ain't gonna lie. And you have it. The Jordan 4 white cement in hand. Early, my boys. How you guys said on TikTok, my peeps. I really don't know what's the difference from the other couple pairs that have came out in 2016, 12, and 99. I want to say the spattered paint on this right here. I feel like they could have did better with this. They could have gave us a better material, or like the ones that come with the 3s. Like yo, like give us something better. But like this looks just cheap to me. But yeah, guys, these are coming out in all sizes. I believe they're coming out in men's, grade school, toddlers, and preschools. May 24th. You know me, guys. I'm keeping the video small and smooth and collective. This is the box. A plastic that comes in the box. Red. I'm telling you right now, my boy, if your box has ridges, they are fake. They are full, bang, bang. You heard? So the bottom of the box, let's see. You know, typical. This is how the tag will look. This is how the front tag will look, guys. This is how the front tag will look. Then you got the Nike. And right there, a Flight. Nike Air right there. But yeah, guys, I also have another video I'm gonna do for you guys, because y'all do know we get everything early. I just be slacking. I gotta get better with posting this stuff, like, to be honest, because there be days that I be like, yo, I'm gonna record this video and I'm gonna post it, and I don't. I post more content on like Instagram and TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, right there, guys, at Legendary Swag, just do me a favor, just follow. Like, put the pride to the side. Some people don't like to follow. Like, just follow, bro. Show some love. Like this live. Subscribe, you know? Like, come on, man. But yeah, this is a size 9.5, guys. This is the bottom of the shoe. Comment down below, how many of you guys are actually going to go for this shoe? I know this shoe is not going to be sitting. I know a lot of sneakers be sitting, but this shoe will not be sitting. I don't think this shoe's going to sit. We all know this shoe's not going to sit. The inside, you see it. Like, yeah, I really do. But here you have a review in hand, guys. You know, guys, you know I'm not really good getting the detail the sneaker, the net, you know. I ain't gonna lie, I really wish, I know people hate the reimagined look, but I really wish they would have gave us like 2 pairs of these, like a brand new pair, fresh like this, you know, the rock. And I wish they would have gave us a reimagined white cement 4, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't mind seeing the net in that off-white color, you know, after you start wearing it, after you start wearing it for a lot of days, this net turns a certain color. Like, they could have gave us this down here, like I don't know. They could have reimagined this sneaker though, man, to be honest. You over here reimagining Jordan 1s, reimagining Jordan 3s. You might as well reimagine a white cement 4. But yeah, guys, a little quick in-hand review. Smash that like button, smash that sub button if you can, man. Follow your boy on the socials. Also, man, I'll be streaming live on Twitch, guys, every day. Live on Twitch every day. I play Call of Duty if you want to watch me play. I'm really good, actually, in Call of Duty. You probably be like, oh, this guy's trash. He's dirt. No, I'm actually good, all right? So this is the in-hand review today of the Jordan White Cement 4. This is going to be getting shipped out right now as we speak. And then I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek for the next video. You see whose face is on this box, right? Can you see whose face is on this box? I'm going to just show you a quick glance. And the next video is going to be the Red Air Jordan 4, guys. That's the next video that's going to be going up. Don't forget to smash that like button, smash that sub button. And I got to ship this out, to be honest. I got to ship this sneaker out. It's going to Cali. And I should have been shipped it out, but I've been busy. And I also have something coming up for you guys that it's kind of a surprise. It's been a long time, but I'm actually proud of myself. This year, I'm going in this year. I'm going all the way in grinding this year. And sometimes in life you have to sacrifice certain things, and you have to do certain things in life to get where you want to be in life. So for the next 2 years, I'm straight grinding and taking straight sacrifices. So I think in the next 2 years, I should be really good. I should be living in that big ass crib, driving that fast ass car, and just living good. Like, that's what I'm looking forward to right now. So put in that pain now, so later on, and don't let the age thing fool you. Oh, I'm too old to do that. You're never too old to chase your dreams, bro. Do what you want to do in life, man. You only get one life. So do what you want to do. Let me stop talking. I love you guys. Smash that like button. Smash that sub button. I'll catch you on the next one.